In this video, we will learn how to view pricing, lead times, and request a quote in MyEmerson. First, log into your MyEmerson account and add your desired products to cart. Once an item has been added to cart, pricing and lead times will be made available immediately. To request a quote for the items in your cart, click on the Request a Quote button at the bottom of your cart. Add your shipping information and then click the green Request Quote/Proposal button. Once your quote has been submitted, an email will be sent to you and our Emerson customer care team confirming your request. This process can take up to 24 hours, so feel free to continue using the site while you wait. Once your request has been approved, your official MyEmerson quote proposal will be available in your quote history.